Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you doing today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you to my class that is in English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning unit number 8 and its title is A Walk in Paradise. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 8 under the writing. Title of writing, we will learn how we can make a mind map and how we can develop a paragraph through a mind map. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, already on page number 16, we have learned about mind map, how we can develop a mind map and then how we can make a different paragraph. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's student learning outcome is identify and utilize effective study skills, e.g. brainstorming for ideas, using illustrations, note-taking, and making a mind map. Use the reading text as models for their own writing. So today, first of all, we will make a mind map and after that, we will plan a paragraph, okay? So, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Zumr, verse number 18, those who listen to speech and follow the best of it, those are that ones Allah has guided, and those are people of understanding. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about that who listens to speech. Speech means the talk of the Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who listens him and do and follow him practically. So those peoples are guided from Allah Almighty. So those peoples are the peoples of understanding. Okay, those people are the people of understanding because they listen the speech with speech, Al-Quran, and they also follow it. Okay, and they follow it, they practice it in their daily life. So we have to also listen Al-Quran, read Al-Quran, my dear students, and we have to follow the instructions that are being given to us through Al-Quran. And in this way, our life will be beautiful, okay? So be active for it. There is a brainstorming activity for you. See there which type of images and pics you are watching here, my dear students. Okay, what we have to do? Yes, my dear teacher, get students in groups and say them to write important points for their annual function. Okay, you should get students in groups and say them that if their annual function is ahead, okay, they have to attend. So make important points, how they will attend, which things they need as it as, okay, which points they have in your mind, so they should discuss, okay. Call in front of class and then they will discuss with your classmates. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Good job and welcome back, and I hope now you have got that how we can do it in a nice way. Now let's see what is a mind map. Mind maps provide a structured way to capture and organize ideas and information. They help to understand concepts by breaking them down into their component parts. This technique is used to develop new ideas. So my dear students, what is a mind map? Already we know that we are using a paragraph writing and we have learned, but before paragraph writing, to organize a paragraph, before we are making a mind map, means important points of that paragraph that we will discuss, that we will write in details. So in this way we can break them into the different branches. How we can break? So I'll show you that in this way we can make a mind map, and it gives a capture and organize ideas and information. After these branches we can organize our information. How we can organize? See there, I have few steps. Let's take a look how we can use it. Mind map as a paragraph writing. Now let's see. There are next few steps I have. In step 1, what we will do, write the topic in the center of the page. Okay, when we are getting a mind map, how you can see in the center, what I suppose, my birthday party. Have you got? This is the first step. In next step, what you will do? Step 2, draw and label the branches. You can see that I have also given you a branch like drinks. My birthday party, so which things we have to need in birthday? So brainstorm, hurry up, think. Yes, definitely drinks and other branch. See there in this way, yes. Now you can see, okay, drinks are also there, food, guests, that how many guests we will call, like theme, what is the theme of that birthday party, why we are celebrating, and whose birthday party is, time, which time we will, and decoration, how we have to decorate our space like venue. So this is, in this way, these are called the branches. Is it clear? Good. So now let's see in next step, in step 3, what we will do. Move to the next branches through illustrations. Okay, these are the text that we have written, my dear students. Illustrations means through different images and examples. Now you can see, yes, drinks and food. You can see that, yeah, on birthday there is a cake. You can see, and guess who is invited. Next is, yes, decoration like balloons and different things are also there that we can use, caps, birthday caps, and time. There is also, I have mentioned time in this way. So now have you got that how we can use a mind map and how we can prepare a mind map according to the topic, because our topic was my birthday party, so related things are these. So have you got that? So if your topic is another like your annual result day, so definitely your things will be related with your school. In this way you have to make. So now let's see how we can make a paragraph through mind map. These all words I have used. You can see, I celebrate my birthday with great joy and excitement. I invite all my friends and relatives on my special day. My mother bakes a delicious cake and prepares many dishes on my birthday. My father decorates the whole house with colorful balloons. We serve the guests with a variety of food and drinks. So in this way, that branches we had already, main points. So now I organized and gathered in the shape of a paragraph. This is the way how we can develop a mind map and how we can organize it through in the shape of a paragraph. Now you can see that this paragraph is according to the paragraph parts and related with each other. Have you got? Good job. So next we are moving towards an activity and we are going to get that how you can develop a mind map. See there. Make a mind map of your favorite dish. Divide it into different branches. After that, share it in front of class. Guide the students and enjoy this activity in your class. So now, my dear teacher, you have to give them a task. Which task? That everyone has its own favorite dishes, favorite things. So one thing is that you have to discuss about your favorite dish. Make a mind map and then discuss in front of your class. Pause the video and enjoy your activity in your class. Welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed and you came to know that what is the favorite dish of your classmates, your friends. Good job. Now there is another activity on your book in question number 9 in writing skills. Complete the mind map by using the information from the telephone fact sheets. Now they have given us the topic name in the center. What is our topic? Invention of facts about telephone. Okay, so now you will use all these facts in a mind map. Okay, hurry up, pause the video and fill that mind map on your book. Excellent job. I hope you have got it in a nice way and you have done it in a good way. Good job. So what's your homework? In homework on page number 66, my dear students, there is a project. Search about the invention of the telephone, write the information on the chart, draw, paste pictures and present your work in class. Now this is what that you have to do at your home. You have to search out the invention about telephone. Already few facts are given in your book that we have already discussed in our previous lecture. So you can use these and you have to draw or paste. Next day you will represent your work in front of your class. Okay, my dear students? Good. Yes, my dear teachers, there is a worksheet related mind map. So provide this worksheet to your students in printed form and see that how they can develop a mind map. Okay, and there they can write like any invention you can. It's up to you, a different invention you can use and you can develop a mind map. So what we have learned today, Today we learned about mind mapping. We learned that how we can make a mind map to brainstorm our ideas to gather information about a specific topic and writing a paragraph, that how we can write a paragraph, and in this way we have covered up our these SLOs. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and also you got that what is a mind mapping and how it is helpful while writing a paragraph. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So till tomorrow, we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that time, have a nice day. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.